mad right now.
What happened?
Well, you know that $21 they confiscated from me?
Yeah?
Son of a bitches, man. I was trying to talk reason with them.
Who? What are you talking about?
I'm just wondering right now. What the fuck?
Saturday, July 13th.
Are you fucking joking? Shit.
What's going on?
I'm kidding. I'll be damned. Batteries is dead.
Battery's dead?
Battery's fucking dead.
How could it
Don't
die?
know. Even if I had the light on, it shouldn't be fucking dead. I had this plugged in, it should have sucked my battery.
No, the stuff wouldn't be working here if... I did see a car come up and sit for around 5 minutes and then a truck.
Yeah, you bet. And like I said, it's my mistake. I did leave the